If you do not know me, Sarabjit Sandhu from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com, and I help people in online business to succeed online with tools and strategies. So right now I will give you tip of the day, tip Tuesday, that is, do what you really want to do. We all have our strengths and weaknesses. If we keep stressing on our weaknesses and keep working on that, we are going to reach nowhere. So do what you really want to do, enhance your strengths, do what you really like to do. Suppose you are not a very techy person, or suppose you are not a good copywriter, or suppose you are not good at anything else. So do not worry about that. Find out what are you good at and enhance that. For me, I think I am good at video, so I am enhancing that. For the past 2 years I am doing video. Almost almost every week I do videos, and I have been doing videos every Tuesday and other days too. So enhance your strengths and forget about your weaknesses. You can outsource what you do not like doing. So do really what you want to do. So that is regarding online business. But right now I'm gonna talk about one tip that is your personal life tip, but that still can apply to the business. So right now I am out of my green tea, and usually when early in the morning I drink my green tea after my breakfast. So I have no green tea and I'm feeling kind of jittery. The days I do not even drink my shake, my fruit shake, I feel jittery too. So when today I had no green tea, and I was wondering, people who are addicted to alcohol or some drugs or something, how bad they will be feeling. Even though it is green tea and I do not find my green tea today, I am out of my green tea and I was feeling horrible. And people who are addicted to things which are not good for your health, how hard it is going to be for them. So if you want to be addicted to something good, not that ruins your health, or health is wealth. If you are good, you are productive. If you are healthy, you are productive. So if you do not have good health, your business is going to suffer too. So who is watching me? Let me see, and because I cannot see without my glasses. Hey Ilyas, if I am saying your name all right, please correct me. How are you? And where are you watching me from? I guess you are I have a little faint idea that you are not watching me from US. So I would love to know, where are you watching me from? Hey Henry, how are you? Hey Jenna, how are you? And let me know, guys, where are you watching me from? So these are my 2 tips for today. Number 1 was do what you really want to do, and outsource the things which you do not like to do. Once you start seeing some money in your business, little bit, then you can start outsourcing. Even if you do not see money, outsourcing is a good bet if you have decided that you are going to work on your business 100%. So number 2 tip was that is not really related to business, your online biz, but that is related to your health. Be addicted to something which is good for your health and for your life, not to alcohol or anything else. Because I took the example of green tea, because I am addicted to my shake in the morning and then drinking green tea, and today I had no green tea and I was not feeling good at all. I thought, okay, first I will go and buy my green tea and then I will prepare live. Then I changed my mind, and I said I'm gonna finish my live and then I'm gonna be getting my green tea. So if you want to be addicted to something, please be addicted to healthy things. So right now you are not going to be seeing live for a few weeks because I am writing something and I need time for myself. Whenever I'm done with that my writing, then I will be doing lives again. Actually I am saying it, but in my heart I love doing Facebook live. I do not know, but I will be first finishing my writing which I have, then maybe or maybe not you will see me next week live. I cannot promise, but if I feel like I will be doing live. So I hope right now you can see my face all right, because I'm sitting in the sun and I did not put my shades down because I like sitting in the sun, and that makes me feel much better. I move whole day with the sun. Wherever sun goes I move along. Right now I'm sitting in my office, sun is right on my face, then the sun will move back there toward east, then I will go there. So I like moving with the sun. If you cannot see my face, then let me know, then I will drop my shades down. So right now I was working on my YouTube training because I have a YouTube channel, Sarah K San, youtube.com user/Sarah K San. So I upload all my Facebook live videos on my YouTube channel. And on my YouTube channel, when you have liked the video, let me know which video you like best and which video have you watched there. Give me thumbs up over there. For a long time I forgot to connect my YouTube channel with my AdSense, where I was making some residual income on my YouTube videos. But last night I discovered that I have not connected my YouTube channel with my AdSense for almost more than 1 year, and as soon as I connected I can see my residual income on my YouTube videos, because I have been making YouTube videos for more than, I started in 2010, so almost 7-8 years I have been making videos on YouTube, and I was making residual income on my YouTube videos. But for a year it stopped because somehow I unlinked my AdSense from my YouTube. So right now I connected last night and I can see some residual income on my videos, and that is making me really glad. That is making me really happy today. So let me know, where are you getting value from my video, and drop 1 if you are getting value from my tips. Right now I cannot see any comments on my live. Maybe when I go back I will be able to see comments if there are any. So let me know where are you watching me from, and when you are watching replay, friends, type #replay and let me know you got some value from my video. And I help to start home business. So if you are willing to start your own home business and want to earn income at home, just drop a comment "I want in," and then I will be messaging you and I will be connecting with you, and I will be helping you how to do that. I will give you all the information. I started my home business exactly in September 2 years back. So right now it's exactly 2 years, and now I am able to help others how to start their own business, how to earn income at home. I have acquired skills and now I am able to help others. So I am looking for sharp people who are who are self-motivated and who want to invest in themselves and who are looking to improve their life better, because I was doing a job 9 to 5 and I did many jobs, but none of them I like to stay, doing whole of my life. So right now I am loving my work at home. So if anybody wants to start their home base, just drop the comment I want in, then I will be contacting you. The starting fee is only trial is only $10, and after that I will contact you with all the information how you can go about it. So that is it for today, and I will see